How to fix ineligible country on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix ineligible country on Instagram. To fix this issue, you could follow these simple steps. If you're facing this sort of issue, then what you could do is you just have to exit out of your Instagram application, open up your Play Store, and on the search box type in Proton VPN. When you type in that, go ahead and install Proton VPN to your device. Then you want to go ahead and maybe give a purchase. Go ahead and agree to it. After which, you want to go ahead and click the open button. Now register yourself with the Proton VPN. Or you could just go ahead and click on continue as a guest. Now you want to go ahead and enable the VPN according to the reason or the different reason. After which, you want to go ahead and exit out of your application and go ahead and open up your Instagram, and this should be able to fix the issue all at once. So this way you should be able to fix ineligible country on Instagram. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.